What up, guys? Welcome back to the Revenant Jeep channel. In this episode, I want you guys to participate. All of my subscribers, I want you guys to go down below in the comment. Let me know your opinion. I'm about to do one of the biggest upgrade on this Jeep YJ. I'm tired of the way this thing is running. You can hear it. It does not sound that great. So you know what? That's right. We're gonna go with fuel injection on this Jeep. So I want your opinion down below. Do you guys want to see the step-by-step installation on the Jeep? There's some videos not in full detail, but I want to go in depth on this installation, but I don't want to bore you guys either. So if you guys are interested, I want you guys to comment down below. If I see enough comments supporting this installation, I'm going to do it step by step, and you guys are going to see how this Jeep transforms from carburetor to fuel injection. So do me a favor, like the video. If I see enough likes, if I see enough comments, I'm gonna drop this video step by step. If not, I'll just do like a quick run through of how this installation went. But I want your guys' opinion. This is my way of appreciating that you guys have subscribed to my channel and that you guys want to see this video come out. Like I said, I'm very detailed in my videos, so I want to do this for you guys. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and let's see how El Jefe turns into fuel injection. I'm so excited, I can't wait to show you guys. Let's go, guys. Comment down below.